There is a word that built the entire universe out of nothing. Not a process, not a plan spread across years. One word, Kun, be. Galaxies exist because of it. Oceans exist because of it. You exist because of it. And whatever impossible thing you've been carrying, whatever wall you've convinced yourself can never move, it is not bigger than the word that built the sky. It is one word away. You keep measuring your situation by human logic, how long it usually takes, how many things would have to change, how unlikely it seems from where you're standing. But Allah says in the Quran, indeed, His command when He intends a thing is only that He says to it, be, and it is. Stop measuring the impossible with a human ruler. The distance between where you are and where you need to be isn't measured in years or odds. It's measured in a single word. Only Allah has the authority to speak. You've been working, planning, exhausting, every door you know how to knock on, and that's not wasted. That's obedience. But somewhere along the way you started believing the outcome depends on how hard you push. It doesn't. Kun doesn't wait for your strength to run out or your strategy to be flawless. The real engine behind everything you've been striving for was never your effort. It was always going to be a single command from the one who doesn't need your permission to move mountains. Right now it might feel like nothing has moved, like the word hasn't been said yet, like you're stuck in a silence that never ends. But every bee in the Quran arrived in a moment, and moments have built up. You can't always see. The silence you're sitting in isn't evidence. Kun is far away. It might be the exact space being carved out for it to arrive undeniably, all at once, the way it always does.
Every step to prayer, my heart's door.
Tonight, don't ask small. Don't soften your dua, because you're afraid of hoping too much. Ask Allah directly for your kun, plainly, boldly, without scripting, exactly how it should look. Then step back and let Him work the way only He can. Your job was never to engineer the outcome. It was only ever to ask and trust the one who spoke the universe into being. One word from Allah built everything you see. Your kun is not far from that same power. Comment, waiting for my kun, if you're trusting Him with this today. And if someone you know needs to hear this exact reminder, send it to them. Allah Hafiz.